Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will explore the process of seamlessly applying a pattern to clothing in Photoshop. First, use the Quick Selection tool to select the dress accurately. Then, refine the selection to ensure precision. Now, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the selected dress onto a new layer. Convert this layer into a smart object to maintain flexibility. Next, apply a Gaussian blur to this layer to create a smooth effect. Once done, save the file as a PSD. We will use it later. After saving, remove the Gaussian blur filter from the layer to restore its original appearance. Now, open the pattern file in Photoshop. Use Generative Expand to extend the pattern seamlessly, ensuring it covers a larger area. Once expanded, merge the layers to finalize the pattern. Then, copy the pattern and paste it into the main file where we will apply it to the clothing. Now, create a clipping mask by holding the Alt or Option key and clicking between the pattern layer and the dress layer in the Layers panel. This will ensure the pattern conforms to the shape of the dress. Next, apply the Displace filter to blend the pattern naturally with the fabric's folds and texture. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace, enter the desired values, and click OK. When prompted, select the PSD file we previously saved to apply the displacement effect. Change the blending mode of the pattern layer from normal to multiply to seamlessly integrate it with the fabric. If necessary, adjust the highlights and shadows for a more natural look. Select the dress layer, then go to Image When Adjustments, Shadows and Highlights, and fine-tune the settings as needed. This step is optional and depends on the lighting and texture of the clothing. And that's it! You've successfully applied a pattern to clothing using Photoshop, giving it a realistic and seamless look. With these techniques, you can experiment with different patterns and textures to create stunning designs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.